For those of you asking, this is how I made the shirt. First, you want to go into Canva. Canva is free. You don't have to pay for it if you don't want to. However, you can get the ultimate package and pay a fee for it. I don't. I just do the free package. So you look up logos or whatever you're trying to make, look that up. It'll give you a template. I search through the templates to find the one that I am looking for or the type of shapes and whatnot that I would like to use. I chose this one. If you click on each text box, you can type what you want it to say. You can choose the fonts that you want. You can change the colors. If you want to change the colors, it's up to you. When you're typing, you just want to check your spelling. Check your spelling, please. Now here, you see me changing the colors. I'm just trying out different colors to see what I like better. I do have a red shirt, so I want the name of the company to pop, which is why I chose red for Notary Public, because that's what the first thing I want people to see. And then everything else around it is pretty neutral, but it's still bright. I do have a red shirt. Here, I am going to download it because I'm done. I'm going to download it. It's going to be a PNG when you download, and it's going to go to your desktop. Not desktop, it's just going to be in your downloads. I'm just checking my downloads here to make sure that it's there, and it is. Then I screenshotted the photo, and I'm going to put it in a Word document. In that Word document, I'm going to stretch it out, make it bigger. I'm changing the margins on the paper so it can fit the whole paper like I want it. And then I'm just going to copy that and then also paste it on a separate page so it can be smaller. Now, since I'm printing on dark colors like red, I just want to make sure I read the directions because transfer paper on dark colors and white colors are different. When you print on dark color transfer paper, you print the picture as is. But if you're printing on white, like a white t-shirt, you're going to have to reverse the picture. So make sure you read all of the directions like I'm doing here. I'm reading the directions to make sure I get it done correctly because I don't want to mess up this transfer paper. So just reading the directions, checking the printer. I print it on white sheets of paper first because I just want to see what it's going to look like if I need to change the size. Now I've got my transfer paper. On my particular printer, I have to turn the paper upside down so it prints on the right side. You want to make sure that you do that as well. There's my t-shirt. I cut out how I wanted it to look on my t-shirt. I'm just placing it to make sure it fits in the right place. It's sized the way I want it to be sized. There you go. That's what it's going to look like when it's done. And then you want to put it on a hard surface. Have your iron preheated. You have to peel off the sticker. You got to peel it off first before you iron it on. All right, so that's what I'm showing you here. I'm peeling off the sticker, and then I'm going to place it on the shirt where I want it to go. Now I'm ready to iron it on the shirt. So I place it on the shirt, and then I take the parchment paper that came with the transfer paper. Make sure you use it. You put it over the top of your printed logo, and then you just press down tightly. What I did is I pressed down too hard, and the ink smeared across the white part. So that's why you see it smeared right there. But that's okay. You know why? People will come up and say you made a mistake, but it's okay. It brought you to me. You've read my shirt. Now it's in your mind. There you have it. That's how you do it. So here's a picture of the front of the shirt, and here's a picture of the back. There you go.